Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the trending white line transition in Capcut. So first, just prepare your clips and go to overlay and add a white image from the stock videos. And rotate the image to 90 degrees like this and fit the size so it covers all of the screen. Like this. And now go to trim it so it aligned with the first clip, the line of the first clip like this. And after that, add 2 keyframes at the start and also the end of the white overlay. And now on the first keyframe, move the white image to the left. Like this. So it will go like so, and go in between the keyframe, go to grab and click on custom and make the grab like this. Okay, click on the check icon and now copy the white overlay, then remove the current keyframe and trim the white overlay so it aligned with the second clips. And now add 2 keyframes, new keyframes on the overlay, the at the beginning and also the end. And on the first keyframe, just leave it like this, and now move to the second keyframe at the end, move the overlay to the right like this. Okay, and go to grabs and use this custom grab. Click on the check icon and now you are done, and you can preview the result like this. Okay guys, so that's all. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.